In this episode, we're looking at GST. Most of the small businesses asking how the GST works. The fact about GST is not your money. You're collecting 15% of any sales that you have, and you have to pay it to RRD. And at the same time, if you're in a business, you can claim 50% of all the expenses that you have. One of the biggest problem and the questions that we get asked is, do I have to register for GST? If your income or turnover is more than 60K, you have to legally register for GST. But if you're starting a business and you're never going to have more than 60K turnover, you better not to start a business in the first place. So what I say to all my clients is, if you're starting up and your turnover on the first year might be 50K or less than 60K, still register for GST. That provides you with so many different options. The first thing is, and that's a main trap for most of the small businesses, is pricing. Because when they start pricing the product, they don't consider that 15% that they have to pay. So for example, if I'm a dog groomer, I say, okay, $70 for grooming your dog. Then after 1 year, I have to register for GST. I can't go to all my clients and say, now that's $70 plus 15% GST. So what will happen, I'm keeping the $70 price, but I'm going to lose 15% of that for the GST to pay. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, you're not going to basically be able to deal with the business as much. So as a business, if you're dealing with me and you're not able to give me a GST receipt and I can't claim the GST, I have to find that one receipt and one transaction and make sure I'm not claiming GST for that one transaction, which is time consuming. So I'd rather deal with somebody who's GST registered. The other thing is, I know that you're not big. Your turnover is less than 60K. So that's the other reason that most probably I'm not going to deal with you, because I'd rather deal with somebody who's got lots of business going through. Make sure you register for GST on the first day, because surely you're going to make more than 60K soon in your business. Please subscribe here to make sure that you receive all the up-to-date videos in our channel.